G'day, it's product review time and looking at the Jacaru hat, Crocadu. Now it's a pretty cool sort of name, and as you can imagine it looks like a crocodile, but it's actually embossed leather, cow leather, so it's not actually crocodile, otherwise it'd be a fortune. But if you want that look, that unique look, then you definitely have to go for this hat. It is raw and unfinished inside, as you can see. Comes in 6 sizes, very comfortable. It's got a 7cm brim and a 9cm crown, so quite a conservative hat. It's not a big commanding hat, but if you want to look like the crocodile but you don't want to pay crocodile prices, this guy's for you. Hope this is helpful. See you next time.